Latin 1 in a nutshell, part 3, prepositions. When we talk about prepositions in Latin, we need to focus on the mnemonic device sid space. Objects of prepositions in Latin will always take the accusative case, except for the ones that sid space is going to help us remember. Okay? Sid space. S is for sub, which means under. The I is for in, which means in or on. The D is for de, which means about or concerning. The second S is for sine, which means without. Obviously, if you switch sub and sine, it doesn't make any difference. Pro, which means in front of or for. Ab, which means away from. Cum, which means with. And ex, which means out of or from. Now, ab and ex will follow a rule exactly like a and an do in English. If they occur before a word that starts with a vowel, you're going to keep the b or the x. That is, they will be ab or x. But if the word following them starts with a consonant, the b and x disappear and you just get e and a instead. So when you come across a preposition in Latin, you just need to ask yourself a simple question. You ask yourself, is this a sid space preposition? You think about sub, in, de, sine, pro, ab, cum, ex, and you say, why, self, yes it is. Then the object of the preposition will be in the ablative case, taking the ablative endings that you learned in the noun section. If you say, no, you know what, it's not one of those prepositions, then the object will be in the accusative case, again using the case endings that you learned in the noun section. And that's all there is to prepositions in Latin 1.